Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Really Real Raids. I'm on this server. I found this base. Uh, I didn't actually build a raid base. I just ran all the way over here because, I'm not worried about it. It's like the pop's probably dead. Anyway, let's go see if we can find a way up this base real quick. Yeah, no, there's no way we're gonna be able to get up here. I guess. Oh shit. A privilege, dude. Fuck. Alright, that's okay. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna see for this door. Alright. Just be careful for counters. You never really know. Okay, we're through door number 1. What the fuck is this? Why can't... Okay, that was weird. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and go through this door here. Yeah. Alright. I'm just gonna wait for those to blow up. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. Gotta be real careful for all these counters, these raiders, bro. These money grub kids, dude, trying to steal all my loot. Alright, we'll go through this door. I really wanted to go on the roof, though, but fuck. Guess there's no way I'm getting up there. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, instead of wasting these very little C4s I have, I'm gonna go for the frame here. It's alright. It's gonna take some time. Oh man, I don't have much explosive bullets left. Yeah, no, I don't have a whole lot left. Fuck. Oh, my silencer broke. I don't want these counters coming. Alright. This is... What the fuck? This is just so empty. What is it? What is this? Okay. I guess I'm gonna see for the garage door. Keep a lookout for these counters. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. What about this bed? Oh fuck. Alright, looks good. We'll start hitting this garage door. Oh my god, this is gonna have major loot. I can't. This is gonna be so sick. A box of wood. What the fuck? Damn, dude. Come on. Was that 3? Alright. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh. They left it unlocked. What the fuck? Oh fuck. Do I have a... Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh my god, I can't even believe it. I really need a garage door or something to throw down here. Fuck, dude. We'll just make a door. Make a door and a code lock real quick. This is nuts, dude. I can't even believe it. I can't believe this bait. I don't even know what this is. We'll see what's in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even believe it. This is so real. Oh my god. Really real. Oh my god, dude. This is the realest raid I've ever been in. Oh my god, I can't even... Where's this door? Please. Alright, sweet. Let's grab this. I'm so low on C4. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Fucking take all this. Oh my god, I can't even believe how real this is, dude. Fuck. I wanna be... No, let's just blow this away, that way I don't have to worry about it. I think I only brought like 4 rockets, so It's no big deal. What am I dropping? Oh, the helock fell. Let's get this on here real quick. Don't anyone countering. Alright. Oh my god. I can't even believe it. I'm shaking right now. I'm shaking right now. I can't even believe... What the fuck? Alright, I don't know why that's not broken, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at all this sulfur. Oh my god. I only brought 4 rockets with me, dude. Thank God. Thank God, dude. Let me go see if there's anyone trying to counter. Hold on. I don't see anyone. Damn, if only I had wish I had a fucking... Wish I had a helicopter. God. Well, let's head back outside and see if we can find a helicopter. Oh my god, would you look at that? I can't... Oh my god, there's already 200 fuel in it, dude. What luck. Let's see if there's anyone around here. Oh my gosh. I can't even believe how good I am at flying. Is there anyone over here? I don't think so. I'm gonna land this, I guess on top of the base here. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, I don't know what that was. Some kind of glitch or something, I guess. I better heal up. I almost died. Fuck. Wow, guys. That's unreal. It's unreal. Look at this. Look at this fucking profit. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my, I could build so many fucking tree houses with this, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even believe it. Well, guys, easy video, easy profit. I can't even believe how much I made from this. This fucking door wasn't here. Oh fuck, dude. I'm bugged so bad, dude. I can't even. Oh my god, I'm so bugged. This is ridiculous. It's ridiculous how bugged I am.